Sawadika and hello! Welcome to Thailicious America, where we're gonna take you on a Thailicious journey seeking the best Thai restaurants in the US. We're here today in New York City, NoHo area, and we are gonna take you on a journey to Southern Thailand. One of my favorite cuisine is Southern food because it's spicy and fiery. I love it. And you cannot miss out this restaurant if you're in New York City. It's called Fish Cheeks. They specialize in Thai seafood family style. Are you guys ready? I'm hungry. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Jen Sesu. I'm the owner of Fish Cheeks, located at 55 Bond Street in New York City. We're a Thai restaurant focused on seafood. So we named the restaurant Fish Cheeks because we want to be a little punny and we want it to be catchy. We thought that Fish Cheeks actually is a great representation of what we're trying to do. It's the most delicate part of the fish. It's a gem. It's a delicacy. So that's how we were came up with it. I have a great memory of, vacationing in Phuket and Samui and, Krabi, all the places that are incredible, and there's so much seafood. It's boiled crab, steamed crab, grilled fish, steamed fish, anything like that. I love it so much. I love the namjim seafood. That's actually one of the main kind of dipping sauce star of our restaurant as well. We did want to be a little obscure and not want to be in your face that we're a Thai restaurant. We want people to experience food before, making their informed decision or just first impression, oh, this is a Thai restaurant. So we did pull a couple pieces that, I think is very Thai, but we kind of twisted a little bit. If you look at the roof, that's actually, you can find it at every temple in Thailand. The color might be a little off, but the shingles is, very reminiscent of just Thai temple rooftop. There are elements of Thai, but it's not completely in your face that this is a Thai restaurant. We want people to judge us as a restaurant and not as a Thai restaurant, right? Like we want it to be, hey, like what is this restaurant? We're coming in and what is this? Whatever it is, try the food first and tell us what you think of it. And most people like that. We change our menu quite often. Every few months we take away a couple dishes and add a couple new dishes. You can follow us on Instagram at fishcheeksnyc.com to keep up with the current menus.
สวัสดีครับโอมนะครับเจ้าของร้านแล้วก็เป็นเชฟที่ Fish Cheeks นิวยอร์กครับอาหารของ Fish Cheeks เป็นอาหารที่เรากินจริงๆเรา grow up ขึ้นมาจากการกินอาหารพวกนี้จริงๆถ้าเราคุมเมนูได้เราคุมคุณภาพได้เราทำอาหารที่ดีออกไปได้ลูกค้ามากินก็จะตอบรับในทางที่ดีแล้วก็จะเป็นวงจรเขาก็จะกลับมาโดยที่เราไม่จำเป็นจะต้องทำเมนูที่มีขนาดใหญ่เยอะนะครับหลายเมนูหลายไอเทมอาหารทะเลก็เป็นมื้อพิเศษเนาะไม่ได้กินได้บ่อยๆจะกินทีก็ผู้ใหญ่พาไปกินใช่ไหมต้องผู้ใหญ่เท่านั้นแต่ไม่รู้ละพ่อแม่คุณน้าคุณอาเงี้ยก็คือต้องพาไปกินแล้วเราเด็กไม่มีเงินหรอกพอเริ่มอายุโตขึ้นมาหน่อยก็กำเงินได้เงินมาจากพ่อแม่ก็500กำแล้วกับน้องชายไปแล้วอบอร่อยรามคำแหงออกเลยข้าวผัดปูกุ้งเผานี่โอ้โหทีเด็ดมากจากตรงนั้นซีฟู้ดเป็นมื้อพิเศษเราก็เห็นว่ามันมีรูมด้วยที่นี่นิวยอร์กเราก็ทำ
To make Gaeng Pu curry paste from scratch, you need salt and some Thai chilies, fresh galanga, lemongrass, and some garlic, fresh turmeric, wild ginger, and of course the Thai shrimp paste. To make the curry paste, start with slicing the chilies. This will make it much easier to pound into a curry paste. You can also opt to use a blender as well, but if you have an old-fashioned mortar and pestle handy, why not go for it? We guaranteed a fun arm day workout. Mix all the chilies and salt in the mortar and then start pounding. And this is the texture that you're looking for, a smooth Thai curry paste. Then in goes ka or galanga. Continue pounding until it becomes a paste. Then add the krai or lemongrass, again pounding until the texture becomes smooth. In goes the garlic, continue pounding until smooth. This cycle goes on and on for each ingredient. Next, add cumin or turmeric and then continue pounding into paste. Then add grachai or wild ginger, again pound until it becomes a paste. Last but not least, add kapi or shrimp paste. Southern Thai cooks love to use this as it adds a funky savory hit to curry paste and chili dips. Continue pounding until all the ingredients blend into curry paste. Now look at that fantastic Thai fireball. With the curry paste ready to roll, let's make our coconut curry. In a saucepan over medium heat, bring the coconut milk and the soup base to simmer. You can see a list of ingredients and how to make the soup base on our website. Then add the curry paste and some crab meat into the pot and bring it back to simmer. Make sure you stir constantly to avoid burning. Now look at that rich, golden, creamy, mouth-watering coconut curry smoothness. I'm getting hungry right now. How about you guys? Now let's pour that curry into a bowl. Make sure you get all the big chunks of crab meat into your bowl. And of course, we finish off with some garnishing. Garnish with bai chaplu, betel leaves, and bai makrut, lime leaf. And that is how you make a Southern Thai coconut crab curry. Yum! Guys, I'm so excited. It's the moment I've been waiting for. After all the sweat and tears in the kitchen with Chef Ohm, Kun Jen, and Kun Ki, we're finally here at the testing time. And this right here, this sexy cocktail drink is the Makrut Lime Paloma. I've never seen this anywhere before. This must taste amazing. So it's so hot here, I'm gonna start with this. This is hands down my favorite summer cocktail drinks now. It really helps me cool down from this summer heat in New York City. Now moving on to my oysters. They open around 500 oysters per day, and this is my favorite way of eating oyster, the Thai way, served with a side of crispy, we call it the crispy shallots. It looks like chips to me, but crispy shallots for sure. And this is the side of the spicy seafood sauce that is served with the oyster. And how the Thai people eat is, we do this, the sauce first. I don't know if I put too much, it's gonna be spicy. Jesus. I hope it's not too bad. And then sprinkle on top of this shallot. Here we go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my God. It's so fresh. I love the crispiness from the fried shallot. And that namjim is everything. I need that for every seafood. Fish, shrimp, everything. Oyster as well. Let's try the star of the day and the night, the Gaeng Pu. This is a southern style kind of curry. It has coconut, obviously, a lot of crab meat. They kindly have only crab meat, so I don't have to deshell or anything. What's special about this Gaeng Pu or the coconut crab curry is they make their own curry paste, which takes hours to make, guys. If you go to other restaurants, they might give like a curry paste from a can. This place, they make their own. The color of it is almost like gold liqueur. And the bai chaplu, I can smell it from here because he just freshly chopped it. And here goes our first bite. Holy moly. Wow. Can I get a recipe for this? I need a recipe for this. Guys, this is like the best Gaeng Pu I've ever had. This is a true Thai taste, true chili level of the Thai person that he eats. Like the chef says, I cook what I think I like to eat, so this is his way. And it's clearly shown here in his Gaeng Pu. And this, my friend, is called Kua Gling, which is the southern dry curry. Very famous in Thailand, especially in the south. And you can see here that they actually put satong, this very nutty, like a nutty flavored. Oh, we also have pepper, fresh pepper. In goes that. So this is a true southern Thai dish. Wow. It reminds me of like those days when I was chilling at the beach in Phuket and Krabi. I can have cooking all day. And this sataw, so hard to find here. And here, guys, is the ping ngop pla, which is the grilled Brancino ping ngop pla style. It's a Southern Thai dish, and they use banana leaves. Kunki is the one who folded this nicely for us, and she also includes the special curry paste here. I want you guys to see how beautiful this is wrapped. This is the Thai way of wrapping. We use banana leaves in a lot of things, and it's such a great way to like keep the moisture, the flavor, and it's also biodegradable. All right, guys, here goes the ping ngop pla grilled Brancino. I've never had anything like this. This ping ngop pla kind of reminds me of hom mok, but grilled. So you add this smoky flavor and smell into this fish, and it's filleted, so it's so easy to eat. I highly recommend if you come to have all of this. There's so much food here. I'm gonna probably have to share with my team because my team is very hungry. I wanted to thank Kun Jen, the owner, as well as owner and chef of Fish Cheeks, Kun Ohm, as well as his amazing wife, Kun Kiki. Without you, this would not happen. All right, guys, and that's a wrap for today. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching our journey to Southern Thailand at Fish Cheeks restaurants in New York City. If you like what you see, why not hit the like button below, subscribe, hit the bell button so you get all the notifications about our new content, and stay Thailicious with us. If you like the menu today, you want to try to make it at home, please do tag us. It's Thailand Insider, #Thailicious America. Until then, see you next time. Stay Thailicious. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye.